I left Sweden back in '86, off to prospect in the Amazon. Then I heard about Lightning Ridge Black Opal. Amazon, Lightning Ridge, Amazon, I couldn't decide. So I tossed the coin. Come on, heads. Best of three, hey?
We were just passing through Lightning Ridge. Then we walked into this home. I started dreaming of it when I was 19. We bought it, quit our jobs, and moved here.
Yeah, still mine for opal, but my one true love, the cactus. Got 1,000 of them.
Lightning Ridge, so wonderfully crazy, you'd be mad not to see it for yourself.
Coochie coochie coo.